Give a portion to 7, and also to 8, for thou knowest not what evil shall be upon the earth.
You don't just want to put money and put all of your hopes and dreams in one thing, right? Whether that be a job, whether that be a business, one job, one anything, right? You should be spreading your wealth around, spreading your options around when it comes to how you're going to make wealth, right? Because you don't know which one is really going to work out at the end of the day, right? There's people out there that swear, oh, I got this state job, so it's guaranteed. Nothing in life is guaranteed. There's nothing in life guaranteed. So if you are currently only relying on one source of income, I challenge you to go out there and at least at the bare minimum, invest in other things that can grow your money, right? Can grow your wealth, whether that be stocks, whether that be real estate, whether that be a business venture that you can invest into, right? Whether it could be even like collectibles and things like that. There's so many things that you can put your money into so that that money can grow, and so that you're not just solely relying on one source of income. We should be having multiple sources of income, because as it says in this verse, you don't know which one is going to work out. Right. Hey, maybe they'll all work out, but you don't know that for sure. So yeah.
Yes. Wise financial planning and diversified investment is righteous, unlike gambling, which is reckless. It says, give a portion to 7 and also to 8. In other words, from my understanding, from an esoteric interpretation, a secret interpretation, that word 7 is not literally 7. 7 from a esoteric interpretation in this verse means complete.
Ooh.
And the word 8 is not literally 8. This is figurative for abundance.
That's right.
So 7 is figurative for completeness, and 8 is figurative for abundance.
That's right.
Fatness, overflowingness, if that's a word. It is now. We're from the A area. We make up words. And a new beginning. As children of Yah, we are diversified in our assets and investments. Let's have a complete amount of investments.
Yes.
So that we're financially good.
That's right.
But let's also have 8, which means let's have abundance.
Yeah.
And let's seek to continue to have a new investment.
That's right.
That one's free. That one is free.
Yeah.
Respectfully, humbly. But that's what's so beautiful about our language.
Yes.
Because it gets real deep. And I just wanted to give more of a interpretation below the plain level, below the Peshat level, if that was all right, family.
Yeah.
So
sure.
let's seek to have more streams of income, not just 7 or 8 literally. Let's have a complete amount of assets to where we can financially take care of our family.
That's right.
And let's have 8. Let's keep investing.
That's right.
Let's keep on looking for investments.
That's right.
That's what wise investors do. They don't just stop with what they have. They continue to look for other opportunities.
Exactly.
Mark Cuban, he got that show where what's the show called, family? What's it called? With the investors, he's always looking for other, Shark Tank. Investors are always looking for opportunities to grow. So let's have a portion to 7. Let's give a portion to 7. Let's have 7 investments, which is figurative for completeness. Let's have a complete amount of investments.
That's right.
That takes care of our needs.
That's right.
And our family.
That's
and
right.
let's also have 8 investments, which is figurative, which means let's have an abundance.
That's right.
Of investments.
That's right.
That way we can take care of our children's children.
That's
we can
right.
pass down our wealth to our children's children.
That's right.
And we don't stop there with the investments that we have. No, we're looking for other opportunities.
That's right.
We're tapped in.
That's right.
We are on the lookout.
That's right.
For other investments.
That's right.
So let's not settle with what we just have. Let's not settle with what we have right now.
Yes.
Let's continue to look for opportunities.
Yes.
To grow, to increase, to multiply.
That's right.
Our wealth.